Welcome to our basic technology class. Today, we will be learning about woodwork hand tools, focusing on boring and cutting tools. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define woodwork hand tools, identify different boring and cutting tools, and state their specific uses. First, what are woodwork hand tools? Woodwork hand tools are manual tools used for crafting and shaping wood materials in the workshop. They don't use electricity. These tools are classified into 5 major categories: boring tools, holding tools, measuring tools, marking out tools, and cutting tools. Today, we will focus on boring and cutting tools. Boring tools. Boring hand tools are instruments designed for creating holes or cavities in wood. Here are some common boring tools. A hand drill and a brace both use bits to create holes. An auger is used for making larger holes, and an awl is used to make a starting point for drilling. Take a good look at these boring tools. Can you see the drill, the auger, the brace, and the awl? Each one helps to make different kinds of holes in wood. Next, let's discuss cutting tools. Woodworking cutting tools are designed for the precise removal of wood material to shape, size, and refine wood pieces. Here are some essential cutting tools. The handsaw is for general cutting. Chisels are for detailed carving and making joints. Planes are used to make wood surfaces smooth, and the coping saw is perfect for cutting curves. Look closely at these cutting tools. We have the handsaw, chisels, a plane, and a coping saw. Each one cuts wood in a different, special way. Now let's test your knowledge. What are woodwork hand tools? They are manual tools used for crafting and shaping wood materials in the workshop. Identify this tool and state its use. That is a brace. It is used with bits to manually drill holes in wood. And what about this tool? What is its name and use? That is a plane. It is used to smooth and shape wood surfaces. Summary, we've learned that woodwork hand tools are essential for working with wood without electricity. We explored boring tools that make holes and cutting tools that shape and size wood. Well done for your participation.